the total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom, present in the nucleus of an atom. Okay, it is denoted by capital A. Okay, for example, A equals to 12U. U is a unit which measure mass number. Okay, 12U, the mass is equals to 12U for carbon. Means the mass of carbon is 12U, means 6 protons and 6 neutrons present in their nucleus. Okay, second example, if 16U for oxygen, means the mass of oxygen is 16U, it means 8 protons and 8 neutrons present in their nucleus. Okay, so this is all about atomic number and mass number. Atomic number, the atomic number is defined as the number of proton present in their nucleus of an atom. Okay, and it is denoted by capital Z. Okay, see, the number of proton in hydrogen atom is 1, therefore the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Similarly, the number of proton present in oxygen is 8, therefore the atomic number of oxygen is 8. Okay, it is denoted by capital Z. Let us talk about mass number. Okay, the mass number is defined as the sum of the total number of protons and neutrons present in nucleus of an atom. Okay, it is denoted by capital A. Okay, let us take some example. If the mass of carbon is 12U, then the number of proton is 6 and the number of neutron is 6 present in the nucleus of carbon. A equals to 16U for oxygen, means 8 protons and 8 neutrons present in their nucleus. Therefore, the mass of oxygen is 16U. Okay, U is a unit to measure a mass of an element. Okay, see, there is two more important term in your textbook. Let us talk about one by one. Next important term is isotopes. In nature, a number of atoms of some elements have been identified which have the same atomic number but different mass number. For example, if you take the case of hydrogen atom, it has three atomic species, namely protium, deuterium and tritium, having same atomic number but different mass number. So those all species, those all elements having same atomic number but different mass number, they are said to be isotopes. They are said to be isotopes. Okay, see, isotopes. Isotopes are defined as the atoms of the same element, the atoms of the same elements having same atomic number, same atomic number but different mass number, different mass number. Okay, see, one more thing that is important. Symbol of elements, mass number, atomic number. Okay, atomic number. Okay, if you represent any symbol of an element and put their mass number and atomic number, you need to write in this way, like symbol of any element, symbol of an element like oxygen. Okay, their mass number is written in upper side and their atomic number is written in lower side, 16 and 8. Okay, so isotopes defined as the atoms of same elements having same atomic number but different mass number. Okay, for example, protium, deuterium and tritium having same atomic number, lower part is same but upper part is different, means atomic number is same but mass number is different.